thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Audra and this is Fashion for Living. I feel like this video has been a long time coming. I was at first so excited for this idea of a video of a spring capsule. I'm still really excited about it, but my mind just kind of went on overdrive and went in all these different directions on how I could make this video, and no video was getting made. So that is my perfectionist tendencies coming back to bite me in the rear. And then on top of that, I've just kind of been in a blah mood. I've had a lot of stuff kind of going on with horses and kiddos and just life, as we all do. And I've just kind of been in a blah place the last couple weeks. So anyways, here we are. I'm gonna share my things that I think are must-haves for spring, the spring moving into summer, the things that I personally love. I feel like my style is the same, but then also different from a lot of what I see, the things that I tend to gravitate towards. For instance, I don't love sandals. I don't love sandals. I don't like the way my toes look. I just feel more comfortable in something that's closed-toed most of the time. And I know that that's weird, but I always just like the way it looks better. I just think there's something a little bit more elevated, classy, sophisticated about it when I'm making my kind of more casual jean outfits. I'm not saying one is right or wrong. That's just what I feel comfortable in. Okay, so I've blabbed on enough. I'm going to show you my pieces. I'm going to quickly try to talk about them, and then I'm going to put some outfits at the end, and maybe side by side. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. We'll see where this takes us. Hopefully this is helpful for you, and thanks for watching. All right, I'm trying kind of a different location and something different with my lighting, so fingers crossed. This is not too terrible as far as the lighting goes, but we'll see how this goes. Things only get better if we try new things, so here's to try new things. Okay, so I'm going to start with bottoms, and then go into tops, and then jackets, and then shoes and accessories. Okay, so I have 4 bottoms. First up are these Amazon jogger pants. I grabbed them in black because I just feel like that's most versatile for most people. It's just a basic black pair. I also do have these in olive green. I think they come in a few colors now. I got my normal true to size medium in these, but I absolutely love these joggers. They are amazing for dressing up or down. You can wear these to sleep in. I mean, these are a great thing to travel with. These are amazing. These are a must-have, and it's something that's really great for summer too, because they're such a silky, light, cool kind of fabric. So love these. And as always, I have a weenie dog that's pitter-pattering. Penny is checking out what's going on in here. Okay, and next up is a pair of shorts, a pair of denim shorts. I just grabbed this pair. Probably if I was truly making a capsule, I would gravitate towards a dark wash pair. But these are my newest pair of shorts. These are from Walmart. And so since I already have some dark wash pairs, I ended up picking these up in a really light wash pair, which is really fresh and new for this coming year, is a super light wash pair of jeans or shorts. And I love these shorts so much. They are an amazing fit, amazing quality, and they're under 20 bucks. So to me, these are, just a no-brainer. You got to have a good pair of denim shorts. Next up is a good pair of jeans, a new pair of jeans. There is hands down nothing that you can do that's quicker, simpler, most budget friendly than to buy a fresh new pair of jeans, and it instantly updates everything in your closet, everything that you already have. This pair from Walmart, as I'm filming this, is fully back in stock. These are, again, just like the shorts, incredible. They call these the 90s straight. I wear these jeans nonstop. I love them so much. But if you don't want to do the straight leg pair, you could do a wide leg pair, like what I have on. I'll insert a picture here of what I have on. But I feel like the straight leg is super easy to style and goes with everything. So if you're on the fence about what kind of jean, what style of jean you need to update your spring going into summer jeans wardrobe, I highly recommend these. and these are $27. You can't beat it. All right, lastly for bottoms, I got the mini hanger here, is a pleated midi skirt. I have, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 pleated midi skirts. I love a pleated midi skirt. They're so versatile. They're so flattering. It's just, you cannot go wrong. You can dress this up or down, wear it casually, wear it over a swimming suit, wear it to church. I mean, really, you can wear this any way you want to, and it's super comfortable. And I love a midi skirt as an alternative to shorts. If I'm not feeling my legs that day, if I want to be a little bit more covered, a midi skirt is great for that. A midi skirt is the perfect thing to throw on when it's hot outside, but you don't feel like wearing shorts. My only dress, I'm not a huge dress girl when I'm thinking about casual outfits, but just a basic black t-shirt dress. I feel like we all need one. This one is from Amazon. It has pockets. This dress was super popular a couple years ago. It made the rounds, the blogger rounds. Every blogger had this dress. This one is like I said, it's comfortable, it has pockets, it's affordable, and this is a great basic to mix and match with all your other pieces. So I thought it was worth including because, again, it's lightweight, it's something you can layer up when it's cooler, but then pair it back when the weather warms. Moving into tops, when I buy tops, I tend to just kind of naturally buy things in a neutral color family. That's just my happy place. If neutrals are not your thing, then try to just kind of be aware when you're buying things. Does this kind of blend and go with the things that I already have? And when you do that, then you can have a really great mix and match wardrobe. Neutrals are definitely the easy way to go on that. And again, when you're on a budget and you're trying to make a capsule, neutrals are just so budget friendly because you can mix them and match them in so many different ways. So on that theme, this little boyfriend t-shirt is from Walmart. I got this last spring. This is $8 or $9. I love the color of this. Again, it's super versatile. You can dress it up or down. And next is a good graphic tee. I think there's a fun addition to a really solid group of basics that you already have is a great graphic tee. I really liked this one, again, because it was super neutral and it was affordable, and this is something I can wear with my midi skirt or with my jeans or my shorts, you know, again, mix and match with all my other pieces. A long sleeve gray tee. This is a staple for me all year round. This one I just recently got from Walmart. I have probably 5 long sleeve gray tees from various stores. Target has long been my favorite, but I was just looking on their website today, and the ones that I normally get that style is no longer available. So I'm going to be on the hunt for something similar. This one from Walmart I really love. It has more of a casual vibe, but again, it works really well with mixing and matching all the pieces that I've shown. Next is this black button-up blouse. This is a little bit different than everything else that I'm showing you because I think everything else is like super casual, basic things. That's just my comfort zone. I don't usually need a lot of dressy type outfits, even though I'm probably a little bit more dressed up than anybody else, if that makes sense. But this top I just love. Again, this one is from Walmart. I just shared this in my most recent Walmart haul. It's amazing quality. I love that it has this little raised dot on it, so it's like a little something extra, but it's black, it's in a button-up, it's in a flattering cut. It's something I could wear with the skirt or the shorts or the jeans or under a blazer. So love this one. All right, next is this boyfriend button-up. This is something that I pick up again and again in different colors and patterns almost every year because I get so much use out of these lightweight linen button-ups. This one happens to be from Old Navy, but a lot of times I get them from Gap as well. They're super versatile. Again, it's something you can wear dressed up or down, over a bathing suit. And if you already have your basic white button-up, which I highly recommend, this is a fun alternative. And next is my denim Western button-up shirt. I absolutely could not make any kind of wardrobe capsule, any season without including this. I wear this all the time, 1 or more times a week, with literally everything. Again, it's something you can dress up or down, wear with a blazer or a jacket or with a sweater or with your shorts over a tank top or tied around your waist. There's really just endless amounts of ways that you can wear this denim shirt, and it's classic, and it to me is a great alternative to a denim jacket. All right, and next is this, I think they do call this a boyfriend cardigan. This has been one of my favorite things for the last few months. I think it's super fun. It feels really fresh right now to wear your cardigan buttoned up and then kind of tucked into your jeans. You could wear it over a cami or a t-shirt. I did a poll on my Instagram about what you guys were wanting to see, if it was full on summer or some more transitional type stuff. And it was pretty divided, half and half. Here I'm still needing to wear more transitional stuff. I know y'all in the South are like full on summer. I feel you. But like today it's cold and rainy, and hence the sweater and the shirt because I'm cold. Generally I'm cold, but it's like actually cold. Anyways, so this is a fun transitional piece. I've worn this with shorts. You can layer it over any of the t-shirts, any of the button-ups that I have. And again, it's something you can kind of elevate and dress up or easily dress down depending on what you're wearing. All right, are we still hanging in there? I'm gonna try to quickly go through the last few things that I have. All right, hands down, every girl needs a white blazer in their spring, summer collection of things that they're wearing. This one is from Target last year. Walmart has one right now that's similar. H&M has some. Target sometimes has some. But you need a white blazer. TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx is another great place to find this sort of thing. It's a linen, lightweight blazer that again, you can wear with your skirt. You could dress it up, or you can make a casual, classic kind of outfit with your jeans, or you could wear it with your shorts. You could wear it over the black t-shirt dress. It's just the perfect third piece to kind of pull any look together and give a little bit of classy, classic style vibes that I personally love. I have 2 jackets here. I feel like if you're gonna go for just one, I would for sure go for this one. This is a utility water resistant jacket. I really like the mid-length of this one. I have worn the heck out of this since I've got it. Again, it goes with all my outfits, and it's easy to wear. I have a couple classic trenches, which you would think is a staple, but I don't pull for those as much as say something like this, just because I feel like they're a little bit more fussy to wear, where this feels really easy and fresh to wear. Now, I also did include this olive quilted jacket just because I love it so much. I just think it's fun and different. And this quilted pattern is a huge trend for the season. If you have some sort of other olive utility jacket, which I would almost venture to say all of us do, I have a few, please feel free to use that one and not run out and get this one. I just fell in love with this one's styling and got it at a really good price. So I just think an olive jacket is a really great way to kind of warm up and mix up all the browns and other colors that I have, or lack thereof. Accessories. So I again just want to say these are my staples, not just now but year round. So your staple accessories going into spring and summer may be a little bit different. This little baseball hat, I liked it because it was brown and went nicely with all my other pieces, but you know, the New York Yankees hat is really popular right now, or just any kind of neutral basic ball cap that you can easily throw on that's going to go with all your other pieces. I threw in this squash necklace because again, I feel like it has a lot of impact, and is super fun with, you know, t-shirt, jeans, and sneakers, or a blazer and the midi skirt. So it's a really fun piece to just kind of mix and match with. Of course, my little Western belt and my flat brim hat. So these are all the pieces that I just wear again and again with all of these outfits. Okay, lastly, shoes. And I really tried hard to pare back what would be my must-have shoes. If anything that I splurge on or have way too many of, it is shoes. I feel like shoes changes the whole vibe, the whole mood of any look. So first up, remember I talked about that I don't like sandals. I have these snakeskin mule slides. These are from Target, and sadly, I don't think they're making anything quite like this season that I've seen so far. I will try to link whatever I can similar. I know Nordstrom, I found today Nordstrom had a really good deal on a leather pair of these. I think they were like 30 bucks. So I will link those below. But again, I just feel like these are classy and something you can wear with skirts or dresses or shorts or jeans, anything, and they're very, very comfortable. Next is a fun pair of sneakers. I got these because I felt like these had that little edgy designer type vibe, but it's not a style that I've seen everywhere. They're slightly different. And I just thought they were neutral and cool and fun. So a cool pair of sneakers that again is gonna go and work with all your other pieces. A pair of booties. Now yours may be brown or snakeskin. That is perfectly fine. I have those too. But I have worn the heck out of these, and I was on the fence about buying these for a long time, but I really, really love these. These are 20 bucks from Walmart. They do not look like 20 bucks from Walmart. They look really nice. And I love the way they look with all these outfits going into spring and summer. I think they're a really fun and different little booty. And lastly, but certainly not least, are some rain boots. They're a necessity for me. I've got to have some rain boots. These are super comfortable. I've worn these a whole bunch. And they have that kind of chunkier, lug Doc Marten kind of look that is super trendy right now. So love these, and these are from Target.